Spain.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. So,
When will that be released?
that's coming out in April.
April. Oh, so
Each one of these are 10,000 watt panels, and you can run 4 of these to one inverter.
What's the inverter?
This is the inverter.
How many what's the output? 24,000? Because I see 24.
Yeah, 24. So you would
wow.
have 4 in here, 10 in here, and 10 in here.
Okay.
But this would be semi-solid state. I don't know the full condition of a solid state. I just know about semi-solid state because I know the manufacturing uses the polymer, using LFP and the polymer. And a different version of the LFP can make the battery life a little bit longer. Minus 30 Celsius is what right now is what they've tested, but they said it could go to minus 62.
Oh wow!
And the only place that I know is Fort McMurray in Canada. So I used to work in oil sands, so I know that's the coolest of the machine, and I'm just trying to see if it will work up there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Scheduled? Is it going to be
scheduled for April?
Is it going to be pre-order for April, or is it going to be released and you can have it in April?
So there's 2 versions coming out first. The first version is going to be this unit.
Okay.
Which is the same as this, but this is just a mobile unit.
Yeah.
So this one's coming out first, and then this comes out after.
All right. So these are 240 volt systems.
Yes.
Okay.
240 volt system.
Is this 240? Yeah, I see 240 down there by itself. So you can connect how many of these together?
You can connect 3 of those together to
one of those.
To one.
Like part of the Lid 100 will be like this.
Okay.
You know, it's bio-based plastic, reduces carbon emission by 25%. Still functions as good as like normal plastic. Yeah.
So is it still fire resistant?
Yes, it is fire resistant.
Drop resistant.
It is
the same height as the oven.
The same as normal plastic, it's just bio-based. You can take solar and your car's battery, okay, and combine it 1,200 watts. Another thing is you can connect your Hopti 1 directly to Charger 2, so you don't even have to have a power station for that. And also, you know that some of our power stations are not expandable, right? But with Charger 2, you can bypass this problem. So even non-expandable power stations can now add an extra battery with Charger 2.
The Elite series now includes the Elite 400, 320, 300, 200, 100, 30, and the Elite 10. The Elite 300 has a 12 volt 30 amp DC output and allows 1200 watts of total solar input, although it is limited to 60 volts. I do like that Blue Eddy added the 140 watt USB-C output as well, and it's equipped with a TT30 plug that makes it convenient for RVs and small transfer switches. But the most impressive thing about the system is the overall size for a 3 kilowatt hour system.
So basically, we figure out that the first thing everybody needs to power is a fridge. Otherwise, food goes bad, right? Of course. And we made a power station that fits perfectly. You know, it's narrower. Actually, it's narrower than your iPhone. So iPhone 12 Pro Max, you can see. You can also see we win a couple of awards. and surprisingly, it offers 1.8 kilowatt of output and over 2 kilowatt hours of power of battery capacity.
Does it pair with the?
Yeah. You see, it shows accurate data right now, and it's a magnet.
Why would someone want the E-panel and the E-pad?
Yeah, of course. Normally, right, for let's say a car, Class A, RV, or fifth wheels, it has its own panels, right? But let's say you have a freshly new built RV vehicles, it doesn't have anything in it, no electrical system, no panels, right? That's where you need the panels for, right?
So someone's building their
So
own.
building a own, right?
This would be good.
That's where you need it. Is it not necessarily pair with the RV system? You can use with or without it, right? But if the RV you're installing doesn't have a panel, then it's where the E-panel comes along.
Okay.
Yeah,
And then the E-pad.
and the E-pan as well.
So this is just basically a feature. You can see it
Yeah.
in the dashboard.
Yes,
Your
but it's not
control panel.
Yeah, it's
So
not
this-
100% required, but you can use it. We do have the option to provide it.
Energy Pro 13K that has an output of 13.2 kilowatts, solar input of 22 kilowatts, and a 200 amp pass-through that is expandable up to 57.6 kilowatt hours of storage capacity. The Energy Pro 6K is an AC coupled home energy storage system designed for existing solar systems, which each module provides 5,760 watts of power and 7,680 watt hours of capacity that is scalable up to 5 units. The Bluetti AT1 Smart Distribution Panel is a central energy management hub for smart home power systems, acting as an automatic transfer switch and distribution point for grid, solar, generator, and battery power.
Of them is 6 kilowatts hour. Battery you can have it up to 10. So it's totally you can have 10 battery together. So just a Lego.
So how many inverters can you have together?
You could parallelly have 3 inverters. That means that totally the power of the output is 36 to connect it parallelly. You need to have the 3 inverter connected parallel to this kind of smart home panel, and then you can connect it to an appliance if you have a really kind of like heavy kind of the.
This is our new model, F5000 LFP, and the capacity of this model is about 5,000 watt hour. The rated power of this model is 7,200 watts max, 30 amps the output, and this is the 200 to 240 max AC output. Here is the AC input. This part is the DC input. It supports the 3,200 watts max solar input for each port. And this model can connect with additional batteries. This is the ports.
So what's the difference between E-Series and F-Series? Why would you have 2 different ones?
Actually, the F series, the inner structure is more compact,
Okay. So will you all be going to F series, or are you going to continue with the E series?
Yes,
Is this
we
going to
will
replace it?
continue to sell the E series, but we will promote more about our F series this year.
So how many watts in this output?
800
Oh,
on grid.
on grid. Oh, so it can do on grid.
Yeah, full on grid.
Is it 800 or
But
8,000?
to U.S. policy, only the Utah
to
state
1,200
support this
only
policy.
sustainable
Ah,
power
okay.